Panasonic is the leading company in the global electronic market. Based on our global manufacturing network, we have the competence and the expertise to offer smart factory solutions to our customers based on our own user experience.
Today we are happy to announce that Siemens Factory Automation Solutions approved Panasonic as their supplier for SMT products. Especially the products from our connected factory from the Panasonic Factory Solutions division were able to convince Siemens to become their preferred supplier. In a benchmark for more than 1.5 years, we especially showed a very low total cost of ownership and very reliable products, including our laser markers and especially to be highlighted our PanaCIM Total Factory software solutions.
We have our new PanaCIM Gen 2 multi-level manufacturing execution system. This will enhance quality, reduce costs and improve productivity. We have individual modules ranging from material verification, traceability, material control and allocation, where we can allocate components to individual products. We have production analysis and maintenance. This can be bundled all together to have one complete system which will increase your productivity and improve your manufacturing from machine level to cloud level.
At this year's Semicon, we are highlighting our high-accuracy flip chip bonder, our plasma cleaner and our latest plasma dicer technologies. Here at this year's booth, we have live demonstrations from our MDP 300 flip chip bonder, our PSX 307 plasma cleaner, and also the latest developments from our APX 300 plasma dicer.
Panasonic.